Hello, welcome to the video for the Corona 4 typewriter. I want to show you a few of the features of this machine so that when you get it home for either use or display, you'll be more familiar with it. First I want to show you the keys. And that's my orange shirt in the background you're seeing, but the keys are in ivory color. They are round, glass covered keys. There are 4 rows or 4 banks of keys, and they are all in excellent condition. As are the decals, the Corona up top and L.C. Smith and Corona Typewriters Inc. at the bottom. I'm going to set this down so I can show you the side of the machine, and you can see all the screws are in their appropriate position, and the back of the machine. You can see the Corona Made in USA decal at the back. Now there is some paint loss where it goes into the case, and that's pretty standard, particularly for these type of portable machines. Okay, turn that back around. And of course you'll note the styling on the 4 is fantastic. These make great display pieces to look good on a shelf. Okay, the rubber on this is in particularly nice condition, and that's here and on the feet. This may have been reconditioned at some point, I don't know that for sure, but it is an awful good condition, particularly to be from the 20s. So it's a little bonus for this particular machine. The ribbon is also in good shape. The ribbon covers are both intact, as are the screws that hold them into place. That's true for the left and for the right of the machine. A lot of times those go missing with over time, so it's nice to have those with this one. Okay, I'm going to show you how this types, and to do that we want to lift this lever up, the carriage return. It's in the down position for traveling, for going into the case. We of course want to have it up so it goes over the guard. We'll pull the paper guide out, pull the paper holders up, and by doing that you can actually load the paper using a one-handed operation like so, which comes in awful handy if you're making typewriter videos. Okay, so we'll move that to the right, and I'm going to start with the shift lock down and just show you how this machine types. Here we go. Now the Z does stick sometimes. There we go. A little oil is easy to find, and I get that fixed. Okay, we'll hit the shift key and release that. Go back to the beginning, and here we go again. Oops, Z stuck again. Okay. I'm going to show you the backspace also works, and works well. Okay. And as we see here, you're going to get a nice clean type out of this machine, so it's perfect for use or display. Either way you want to use it. Nice clean type. Fantastic. Okay. Now we'll get this ready for travel. Put those down, put the paper guide in. Also, the bell does work. Okay, people always ask about the bell, so I want to make sure and show you that. I also want to show you the hard case that this comes with. It does come with the bottom piece here, and there is a pretty nice emblem inside that says Standard Typewriter Company. I know it's kind of hard to read with on the video, but it says Corona Corner, Standard Typewriter Company of Pittsburgh, 129 5th Avenue, and then has the zip code. So pretty slick. And that's in excellent condition. The leather on the outside does have some wear, of course, from time, but nothing major that's going to keep it from holding the typewriter securely. Also, the top has the hardware is intact. The locking mechanism is also intact and does work well, so that'll hold in place while you carry it. The leather is missing from the bottom part of the handle, but is intact on most of the top part of the handle. And you can see the condition of the top part of the case here. Okay. So there you have it, the Corona 4 typewriter, ready for your use or display in your home. Thank you for watching.